am I going to do with these seats on this G55? Look like old sofa leather. Hey, I wonder if this purple power stuff can fix it. Typically, this can take off dirt off of anything, especially leather. Ta-da! Yep, it worked. It worked on this seat, and I'm about to apply it to these. See the difference? Purple power. Yeah, you can see a little bit of repair right there. And they might even try to do some little blend work. If you look real close, you can see some touch up. But this stuff right here brought it back to life. It removed all that dirt. So, on to the rest, and let's see how it turns out. Okay, so there you go. It's been purple powered out, and it's clean. Look at that, look at that. Very nice, man. So, I thought all hope was lost, but it came out very nice, very nice. Very impressive. I'm happy.